Okay, you must be looking at my slides, all right? I just don't want to go through the same slides all over again, take up so much time. Okay, today's the revision paper. I want to do this together, go through the corrections. For those who have not done, while waiting, please start doing and key into the marks, key into the system now. Okay, let me check who are those who have not done. Okay, let me check who is here. Yeah, okay. Astra, can you do it now? Krishna, did I see yours, Krishna? I don't think so, More, did I see more? I don't think so. More, can you key in the system now? Hmm. Yeah, the rest of them. Yeah. Okay. All right. Then while waiting, you just carry on, okay? So the total cost of these two items is 35, and the cost of the pen is 2 units, while the calculator is 5 units. So calculator 5U and pen is 2U. So in total, this must be 7U. So what you need to do, divide by 7. Each unit is 5. So you need to find calculator is 25. Okay? This is easy. Mm. Then next one. Diagram P is made up of 6 identical squares. 2 squares are removed. The perimeter of P is 360 centimeter. What is the perimeter for Q? So meaning to say we need to count. Let's take a look at the highlighted one. I do this. Please follow here in terms of unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 units here. Okay, if you are talking about in terms of equal part. Okay. So you have 12 units for this. So 1 unit when you divide by 12 is 360. Each unit is 30. But have you gotten into here yet to see the number of unit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 1, 9, 10. So you have 10 units for the second diagram. So 10 units, because 1 unit is 30, right? So you need 300 centimeters. Okay. Next one. Question number 3. Kelson paid 330 tickets for the animal show, and how many tickets will he get? Okay, you know the ticket is at $15, and there's a $10 for every 4. So 15 times 4, you get 60, but you save $10, which is 50. So technically 4 tickets, you need to pay only $50. So you use your 330 to divide by 50 to see how many groups of 50 you have. So 630, remainder 30. So you have a 6 group of 4 tickets, which will give you 24 tickets here. And then your 30 divided by 15, you get 2 tickets here. So all in all, you will have 26 tickets. Okay? E6. Okay. Jaden, Jaden, I didn't see your answer in the system. Is there a problem in the system or not? Yeah. Thank you for the response, Tommy. Yeah, Shreya. Jaden, how? If not, then you key in the answers now. Okay. Today, I doubt You think how can you think one? Must be confirmed one. Let me check. Jaden. Oh. Let me check. Unattempted I know you did at 3 o'clock, but it's unattempted. Yeah, so go and fill it in now, can? Okay, question number 4. Let's take a look. In the figure, PQRS is a straight line. Then QS, where's QS? Oh, it's a parallelogram. You see here is a parallelogram. That's what they are trying to tell you about this. This is a parallelogram. Wait, where is it? Q, S, this one, This one is a parallelogram. Okay. Then you have 2 equal sides. This is 30, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now the question to you is you are required to find angle A, which is here. So in the first place, you can have this angle here at 60 degree, right? Because 90 minus 30 is 60. So this one will be 120. Okay. No, you must put into system because you put here also cannot. Jaden, try to do it again in the system, can? Because I cannot key in for you here. And then how to find B? Let's look at B, so I have here 90. I want to find B. Okay, let's take a look at my B. You could be here to here. I have 60 because this and this the same. They must be equal. So we have 60, 80. Here will be 100 degree already. Then if this is 100, here will be 120 here. Correct? So this one is 120 degree, but here will be 100 degree. Correct? And this is an isosceles. So here and here must be 80, but divide by 2, I will have 40 and 40 degree. Okay. Thank you, Tommy. All right. Question 5. Kelvin has a number of coins of 10-cent coin, 20-cent coin, 50-cent coin, but the ratio will be 4 to 1. So you have 4 unit, 2 unit, and 1 unit. So that means to say here must have 40 cents because there are 4 coins. What is the minimum number? Minimum number is 4. 4 times 10, 40. Then this one is also 40-cent coin. But here will be 50-cent coins for this. So all these coins add up. It will be $1.30. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 130 coins. So how many 130 coins are there? 130-cent coins are there in 156. So you just change 15600 divide by the 130 coin number value. 15600. So this one will be in terms of sets. So in terms of sets, you just have 120 times the 20 times the 40 cents will do. Because each set is what? Each set is 40 cents. Then you get 4,800 cents, which will give you 48. Convert it for $48. Okay. So quite easy, very basic, huh? Number 6. Susan bought a rice cooker after a discount. So this is what he paid after the discount, meaning he paid for 70%. Okay. The price before discount, you must find the 100%. So to find the 100%, 133 over 70, then multiply by 100. That will give you $190. Okay? She paid the $40 for the toaster and the total discount for the rice cooker. So that means the rice cooker, we have not yet find the discount. So the total discount was 67. So we must find the blue discount first. Let's take a look. We have $190 minus the price that you paid for $133. Then that will give you about 57. So when there's 57 as a discount, my total discount 67 minus 57 is the $10 discount. What is the percentage given for the toaster? Toaster will be, paid for $40. Right. So before discount, it will be $50. So what is the percentage discount for this? It will be at how many percent? 10 over 50. 20%. Okay. Anything? Any questions? This I will go a little bit faster. The reason is because they are not very difficult. It's just keep revising the basics. Okay. Try to understand this one slowly, slowly, because this one is a little bit of thinking. Wait, before that make this bigger. Okay, so yeah, I got no